Alright, well, what I want to show you guys are these eBay 92, 93 Honda Accord turn signals. They don't have the reflectors inside, they just are empty. So if you put a bulb in there, clear one, it'll look clear. Orange, it'll look orange-ish. But I'm gonna copy the SIT turn signals that are all clear with an orange reflector inside. I see some people, they take the whole plastic off and glue it back on, but I didn't really want to do that. What I did is pretty much cut out the size of the reflector underneath. That was from something else, but pretty much what I want to do is cut it out on this one, put that piece on, put the cap that I cut out, and just seal it back up. So I'll have the SIT turn signals for you guys that can't afford them. Well, let's get started, I guess. First, what you want to do is make an outline of where you're gonna cut. You cut it from the top side or the bottom. I use the bottom because we can't even tell either way when it's on the car. So I just traced it out, whatever. And about to use my Dremel to cut it out. Almost got it out. Just cut right here and a little cut right there, and almost got the cut out already. Just gotta clean off all the shavings. No dust inside. So after that is cleaned out, I'm gonna just put some super glue so it can stay on here. Glue right there and doesn't need that much, but you just slide it in. And I could have put the little cap I cut out. It's not gonna be the actual size because the blade cut it out. I'm gonna just put it right there. And super glue it onto the reflector. And after that's finished drying, I'm just gonna seal it. This is for kitchen plumbing, but hopefully it'll work before this. Repels water, cracks, fills it in. So I got it sealed up already. Just gotta wait for it to dry. And then it turns clear. It goes down a little bit and then goes clear. So it won't look white anymore after it cures. I forgot some right there, but I'll put some right now. So yeah, pretty much let it dry and install it once you're finished. SIT turn signals. So it just looks ugly from the bottom, but I'd rather do this than pay whatever they're worth, like 300, 200. Well, that's how they ended up turning out. Not that clear, but it's whatever.